It's William. One of the first times he's ever been over here and been able to stand up. As you can tell, he already turned his back on Grandpa. Is that right, William? Yep, it was. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? He waved. He waved. Turn around if you love Grandpa.
Uh-oh.
William, do you know your name? Yes, you do.